Hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Professional Spicy Noodle Mukbang, the mukbang show that's done professionally. I don't jump up and down. I don't perform theatrics for you. If it's spicy, you might see me get on the floor and hold my gut, but I have only found two that have made me do that. Anyways, today we've got this. This is Nissin's UFO yakisoba from Singapore, and this is their Korean hot chicken variety. I cooked some up. Here you can have a look. I added some chicken, I added some sesame seeds, I added some spring onion, and I added some crushed red pepper. So without further ado, and here we go. The noodle's pretty good. Done. Well, I hate to say it, but I cannot recommend this. It almost tastes like coffee. This is not something I enjoy at all. Yeah, I'm really bummed out. I've had some of these Nissin UFO varieties that are absolutely fantastic. They've got a carbonara one that was really good. There's gonna be a black pepper crab I get to try, and I know I'll like that. But this one, this Korean hot chicken, it just doesn't do it for me. I'd rather have the fish head curry in a heartbeat, or their tom yum, or any of the other varieties. This one, just this one, I don't like it. I gotta be honest. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. So, yeah, have a good one. Bye.